In this short tutorial, I will be showing you how to design a flyer for new month greetings using Adobe Photoshop. After opening up Adobe Photoshop, set up the preset 10 by 10 inches size, 300 resolution and white background. These are the images I will be using. You can get them in the description below. I import this image to Adobe Photoshop and enlarge this to cover the whole space. Change the style to luminosity and reduce the opacity to 10%. Select the rectangle tool, disable the fill color and the stroke to 11%, the color to red, and draw it here. Now I begin to add the text. The color is white, I need to change it to red. Reduce the space, then add the other text and begin the arrangement. All the text should be aligned to the center. Hide the center cap layer. Change the font and the size. Let's add the rectangle as background to this. The edge curve to 20% and the color to red. Bring the layer backward and the text color to white. Or hide the center cap layer and bring the layer forward. Transform the cap and flip it vertically and rotate it to form letter D, then increase the size. To remove the letter D from the text, rasterize the layer and select the polygonal lasso tool. Now the letter D. Let's hide the cap so we can see what we have selected. Hit delete on your keyboard after selecting the letter D. Unhide the layer of the cap and add drop shadow to the cap. You can copy the setting. Select the layer of the text and the cap, then you merge the two layers. Move this closer. Alright, done with the arrangement. I want to add two more layers, which I will be importing from a recent work. I select the layers and drag. Bring this here and this to this side. Now ready to save. Go to File and Export As. And Export. Let's check it. Alright, is this okay? Let me see your answer in the comment box. If you find this video helpful, consider adding a like to this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and remember to ring the bell for notification of new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.